Assalamu alaikum to my Muslim brothers and sisters, and also to my Christian brothers and sisters out there. I hope you guys enjoy the Sallah. So, the Sallah break is over, so I decided to make a video of how I celebrated my Sallah and how I prepared a lot of things, guys. As you can see, I was a little bit exhausted here. I did a lot, a whole lot, guys. I was exhausted. So I'm going to walk you through what we did, assisted by my friends, and how we did the ram. As you can see them there, they were busy bushing the ram. And then for those of you who might be sensitive to this video, please, you can choose not to watch the video, guys. But I bet you, for those of you who want to watch it, you guys will enjoy it, just to show you unfiltered what we did and how we prepared our Salah Ram and our Salah celebration. So enjoy the rest of the video, guys, and make sure you subscribe and leave your.
You talk on that thing, make. Oh yeah, you first wait. We make a time. No. You know, Sabi. Call am.
Oh, yeah, go bring this one, come.
No. The rope no go reach.
You go reach.
Hold the leg.
Bring and come up, come front.
Wait, make a time. Make a time. Leave this one, Sonny.
Turn them together. Tie them together.
Make a carry the weight. Carry it.
Pass like this.
Carry and pass on that like.
Oh, no waste time for one.
No, wait. You go carry and pass.
Are you okay? Okay. Tie something like you say, me okay. Now let's turn them like this.
Come out. Make it.
Yeah. Hold the leg.
Hold the leg.
Hold the leg.
The knife will do that from this side.
Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Use that as something to cover your eye.
Are you ready?
Sonny, you don't witness this thing before.
Abba. We bring out the care every day. What they do?
Oh, yeah. Slow whistle.
Understand? You fit?
Hold on, well.
God do that. No wahala.
Hold it, say no wahala. Hold it.
No problem.
Hold the stomach.
I hope. Me type here.
Yeah, you cut all the thing.
I finish. See now, see the truth. Listen
Cut
at
am, cut am.
this one.
Hold this one. Cut am.
That cutter come out.
Hold that. Yes. Be careful. Just with your hand.
Try this sharp. Bismillah. See with the leg, never finish.
You don't reach where you
No, you have to respect them. Understand? Respect
the
the ram.
why?
That's
And don't
you
talk,
get life now.
don't talk anything, maybe. Don't even make anything. When you say you don't reach where.
So, see who does it.
And for prayer. Allah accept it. And give you power to be doing it every year like this.
See how me.
Amen.
If they use am, they feel like
Yes, so.
They use up the pillar.
Yes, so. Thank you. So you know, but the smell.
No, if we use them for flush out the promote. Being down night, he did that got this.
Teach you guys how to do intestine. See? Roll your hand like this. Huh? Like this. Do it like this. See? So you can ring it well. Only Nigeria know how to do this. Nigeria who stay in the village, oh, not this the butter people. Nigeria knows how to do this. It's like,
You can get the black leather.
I will find. Just hold on. Abdul, can we do this thing? You know how to do this thing. Yeah. I'll give you. You carry jeep. Jeep. Chemical. Without this line. We'll feed the cleaner. You feel sit down. Sit down. Abdullah, you don't touch on. You want to hit us at me?
You give me a dog. I need that. I need to roll on it. See how I do. I wish my man used to complain.
It's disability. It's a bit roller. You sure?
Like this. But the thing when this
Roller like
they
this.
had this aboki used to do it. They do and go they. How they do have two, but two together go what?
You don't sabi how to. You don't say I sabi native things pass you. So like this, yeah, teach you.
Yeah.
You find long one.
Join us together.
No, not join together. What long one?
Come on.
See. No, you find your one. See. You see. Hold on for the edge. Hold on for the edge.
Okay, for the
No, see now see the edge. Now see the edge. Now which this is my right hand. Now I sabi this part. My right is sabi this.
right, right.
You see. First tie am as if you tie am. See. Like see.
Two times, right?
See as the tie am finish like this. The carry am tie here like this.
Okay.
Like if you want tie am.
You don't see it.
No. You see my right hand for here now. Eh?
Like this.
Do one like this. Where your right hand?
Yeah.
Hey, not the right hand. See. Okay, see.
I go use tie the
See my right hand. Tie am like this. Eh?
I don't see it.
Once, not twice. But I put her inside. No. It must not tight. Eh? It must not tight. Just let it free your hand.
Okay.
Put them inside like this. Like see what? Oh yeah, hold this one. See my right hand. See my right hand. Then choke your right. See my right hand for here.
Like this.
Eh? See the one me I tie. See the edge for here. Hold her with this your hand. The left hand.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah, you hold her, babe.
Yeah.
Then you see this one, the longest one. No come out your hand. You do one like this. See, put your hand back.
Okay.
Eh? You do one again. See, put your hand back. No come out your hand. Eh? No come out your hand. You know, see,
Okay.
I go don't worry, you go learn her. You go learn her. If you do one once, do once, twice. Once I did the go abi. You go. But they do for you, abi. Now you go fit teach your pikin. I don't teach you what you go teach your children now. Eh? Alhamdulillah. You go carry and go small. You feel the free this one. You feel the free. Then if you want tire for edge, you tire for edge. If you don't like, you leave on. When most just cook or drama like this, so people must listen because
Like this, okay, like this.
oh perfect. By the time you try another one now, eh?
Inside.
Inside, put her inside because you know fit tango again with the rest. I learned this thing from my own. That time we do competition with this thing. I know you sabi do am. You sabi do am. You say go one eat am all. By the time they cook this thing,